Happy New Year, everyone. We would like to invite you to check out our health and wellness services at the Integrative Physical Therapy and Wellness Center. Our main clinic is along National Highway, Madayagdig, San Fernando City, La Union, near Robinson's Place, La Union. And our clinic days are Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. We also have a satellite clinic in Urdaneta City, Pangasinan. For appointment, you may contact us through 0968-8855-625. Our healthcare and wellness services include pain management, spine manipulation as part of our orthopedic manual physical therapy, posture correction as part of our APBC, advanced postural biomechanical correction, also stroke and neuromuscular physical therapy and occupational therapy, and acupuncture and wellness. We have a physical therapist and an occupational therapist who are willing to do home treatments within La Union by appointment only. And for our occupational therapy services, we also have clinic schedules. OT for physical dysfunction includes adult cognitive speech therapy, pediatric therapy as part of neurodevelopmental training, arm-hand therapy, and feeding or swallowing therapy for those who have dysphagia. So check us out. You may also visit and like our Facebook page at facebook.com/noeluribio.physio. Thank you and have a great new year.